I realized I've never filmed an intro. Welcome to Illinois' opening day. And it has been a banger. There's actually 6 of us here today. Showed up to a spot and a couple guys showed up, and it's not a big area that we're hunting, but we decided, hey, you know what, might as well just team up. There's 2 for me and then 4 for them. Here they come. Three above. Got 2 to the left coming straight in. 3. Take him. Two coming, 2 left. Mallards. Bust him. There you go, good shot. 2 more. Those are mallards. Too high. 2 to left.
One on the left. Kill that fucker. There we go. 2 more. Go. Oh, my fucking safety. I'm like an idiot.
No, I didn't fire.
Okay.
I wasn't sure if you guys were going to ground pound those, so I was just backing up on it. Ready? Shoot him. That one got smoked. I think we doubled up on that one.
I think so.
Thing's done. Geese coming, straight left, get ready. 3 geese. Y'all ready? Shoot him. There it is.
Clean up, paddling. Do you see those feet paddling out there? Clean up through. Paint it red, boys. Let's probably start 10
Yeah,
seconds.
let's get some. I know I got one that's in the trees back here.
Safeties are off.
See.
Or, I mean, on.
Yep. Golly, it's been a fast start. Have you been hitting things today, John?
did.
You, John's been hitting things?
Shot him in the face.
Shot him in the face.
All right, boys. Ready?
It has been a beating. Golly,
Got a power.
that's a handful. Got some mulardos.
Heavy. There's
Here.
a good drake.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take him
Oh
back.
yeah, there you go.
I'll
Here, I'll
hold him.
grab Goose.
I got a
You got.
mallard and a goose. Nice green. Oh yeah. Do we have any this way?
I didn't see. I don't know.
The guys on the left end of the blind.
What's that?
I said the guys at the left end of the blind shooting all these deuces. They came from over here.
That's a good mallard right there.
Great mallard over here, yeah.
We got a mulardo back here.
What?
Oh, she's a beaut.
Oh, did one fall back there?
Yeah, I got this one, man. I nailed her. Nailed it. Oh man,
Big old fatty. Big swole.
she sure is a beaut, Clark.
I say this guy's.
Oh,
That must not too bad. He's nice.
hell yeah. Beautiful. Now here's the situation, and I'm going to tell you. It has been almost non-stop. But here's what we got going on. Got a bunch of ducks there, some geese, ducks there, some geese. And here's what I got going on here. 3 drakes, mallards, got a wood duck in there, hen, a nice big old gooser. Walk you out into what it is we got going on here. Interested in the spread though. Anything working?
I guess. That's a seagull. Is it?
All right, we're calling seagulls here.
I wondered why it wasn't.
There's John. John's finally shooting birds. I think he unbent his barrel, so that's always a plus for him. Good job. And we got the spread here. Bunch of Mojo's got those splashers out there. And here's everybody. We're just rotating in and out. When somebody shoots, and they move to the back. So we're gonna keep getting at them.
Conservative, we were talking going into that.
Kill them all! Couldn't reload fast enough.
Look at the feathers! Shoot those motherfuckers!
I knew that's how it was going to be. That's what I said. I said, I don't want to start rotating until it slows down.
Right. No, that was a good call. Good call.
Thanks, Trent. You're so right.
Thank
so
you
smart.
for some acknowledgement, finally.
You're so smart, Trent. I know. I am. You're such a knowledgeable person.
Well, problem for the rest of the season now is trying to find ammo.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, you know what? I'll shoot a box or.
I'm
Box and a half
later. How you doing?
duck above us. Get ready. Get ready. Oh, you serious?
Oh!
It's dead.
Oh, Andrew, to the left. To the right, to the right. Oh, to the right.
Here comes those wood ducks. Here comes those wood ducks.
Take them.
Get them, get them, get them, get them. You know what I tell you? I wish I had that shot at the mallard back. Yeah, I was able to get it into the water. You know, I shot it, it died. But I should have waited. I should have done better. That thing to me was hovering and I just got a little too excited, pulled up and popped it. And if I waited a little bit longer, there would have been a lot better shot at it and it wouldn't have had that opportunity to have been a cripple to where it flew away and died somewhere else. So luckily I was able to recover it, but here's a little bit of a funny story. So when I went and placed that mallard back on the pile where I was storing everything, this goose that had already been shot twice and was run through the ringer just started picking up and running off. Like this thing just hauled. And so I'm chasing it through the woods and finally push it out into the water and someone else followed it out and then just went and popped it as well. But you know, I was watching the camera footage and watching us chase this thing through the woods just kind of looked like a T-Rex moving through the trees if you watch Jurassic Park. But well, check it out, you'll see.
You're gonna get your head shut off, dude. You make it to the water, you're getting your head shut off. Where the water goes. Did it? Yeah. Jesus Christ. How'd that fucker get through here so easy? Alright, enough here for
After that, it seemed like the ducks just really weren't around anymore. They were out feeding elsewhere, but the geese really started to pick up, but they just didn't want anything to do with us. So it was time to make some changes. We pulled some spinners, we turned the splashers off, and we set the goose decoys out a little bit further. And once we did that, it was game on.
Yeah. Yeah.
You guys get it? 3?
Trent, does it have a band?
He ain't saying shit. He's like, nope, it's got a tracker.
Are you deaf? Got a band.
Whoa! got another single to the left. Oh, they're in. They're in.
You guys call it over there.
Hit 'em. Well, I know that one there is mine for sure. On the left.
I missed my one. Oh, that one. Watch the one. Watch the one.
Oh, he's falling. He's going down. Oh, that's gonna suck.
Technically 12.
That's gonna do it. We're all finished for the day. Ended up 15 ducks and 10 geese. So not bad. There was 6 of us. You know what? It just worked out to where we were able just to hunt together instead of just stepping on each other. And that's the way things should work out. If you guys are hunting the same areas and you have the opportunity to hunt together, meet new friends, make new acquaintances and all that, move hunting buddies. So not a bad day. Not a bad day. A hell of a better day than Wisconsin's opening season. That was just a terrible day. We ended up shooting one wood duck. Wasn't even anything worthy of posting. So and thank you for checking out this video. If you like what you see here, do me a favor, as my boy Austin always says.
Like and subscribe for more content.
Now we'll see you guys in the field.